Welcome to OK Solution. Today we'll talk about what is meditation. So meditation basically is everything. So when you're sitting still and crossing your leg and closing your eye and breathing in and out, well, that's just one part of meditation. Meditation is what you eat, how you act, how you behave, how you connect to nature, and how you understand that we are part of nature. So basically, we don't exist if nature doesn't exist. So if nature exists, we need to be aware of it, to realize what benefit it has for us. So we need to learn how to connect to it. And so meditation is just not, oh, I'm going to close my eye and that's meditation. That's just a small part of it. An example is, people said exercise, getting healthy. That's just very vague. So basically, exercise, what is it? Walking, jogging, running, swimming, all kinds of things, even walking up down the stairs and cleaning your house, that's part of exercise. So the word exercise, it's big, it's just not running on a treadmill, So meditation is like that. So learning how to connect to the universe, connect to you, to understand and be aware what's around you, what's in you, that's meditation. So I will talk more about different kinds of meditation, and also would like to talk into how to connect to nature. Gardening is a very good example of meditation, and so we can start from there too, and then we can start with the breathing technique, learn how to calm your mind. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, click the bell like button. So I'm here to help people with questions and answer, and I will post more video. Thank you for your support. Your support means a lot to me, so the more people who subscribe, the more confidence to make better video for you guys into many topics. Thank you. See you.